character, adding new props. The AY female comes with 15 total jackets, so I want to add this jacket 16 to the collection. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the same material. So for now, let me just hide this, go to the outfits and go to jackets and switch to the first jacket. So we have this yellow and white stripe on the jacket. So now I'm going to turn this back on. So I have the jacket, then I'll go down to the properties panel, then down to material. Now just type in jackets, multi-jacket color. So instead of this stripe color, I'm having a plain yellow color, and that's because if I switch to the viewport shading and I go to vertex paint, it is black. Let me select the jacket and go to vertex paint, it's white. So let me just select it and switch invert. So I have this white color. Let me go back to the viewport shading. See now that they have the same material. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop it into jackets. So just take the jacket and drop it into jacket. Now when I go to outfits and I switch, the last one is 15. So to make the 16th jacket show, I'll go down to utility, down to updates and resets, then updates. So by clicking on updates, if I go back to jacket, I'm going to have the 16th jacket. So with this, when I randomize, this jacket will be added to the randomization. To make this jacket work with the rig, you have to transfer the weight paint from the character or any other outfit to the jacket. This you can get from our YouTube HTT, how to transfer weight paint in Blender.